buddy. What are you doing? You going on a hike? Let's go. Let's hike our way out of here, buddy. Reese Canal Park. Hiking our way out of here. Way back in the woods. Pine trees. A lot of pine trees. Easy, easy, buddy. Nice out here. Pines are real close together, huh? What are you doing, buddy? Come on, let's hike. Let's hike through here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Otto. Right through here. I'll go up over there. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Wind's blowing hard, huh? Let's cut up through here. Come on. Yep, go right up through here. There. A little bit of an opening here. Otto, you like it out here? Hey, buddy, you like it out here? Huh? What are you doing? Come on, little guy. Go through this next forest. Go on, buddy. Over here. Over here. Here we go. Cross through here. These are stones in here. Come on, don't drink that water. Come on, move, move. Don't drink that water. Good boy. Just keep going. Good boy. Keep going, dude. Good boy. Go, go.